Hey, hello everyone. How to fill blank cell with zero in Google Sheet. First, select the column. So here I select the cells amount column. In this column, you can see the blank cells here showing. So I just select the first cell and drag with the mouse and select the entire column. After that, go to the Edit tab. Then click on the last option, Find and Replace. Here, this Find and Replace dialog box is open and enter here. Okay, then replace with zero. Then click on the search using regular expressions and click on the replace all. When you click on the replace all here, you can see in cells amount column, the empty cell will replace with zero. I just click on the replace all and here you can see the zero is replaced. After that, done. That's it. So this is a way you can fill in the blank cell with zero in Google Sheet. Hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you.